Get a prop.
So just a quick go over the CRM again. So you want me to do radios on this routing?
Yep.
And then you do on the second flight, right?
Okay, yep.
Yep, sound good?
And the nav...
so this is my low level route in case we need it, but I don't think we'll need it.
Good. So I've got the straight one. You hang on to that one.
Okay, cool.
In case we need it.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
So
I'll fly the straight one.
perfect. So
Is that alright?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, just kind of like towards Compton and then straight all the way.
Yep, perfect.
Okay.
So we'll pick up a service from Farnborough once we get off the ground,
Yep.
and then switch over to Bryce, assuming that they're open and active.
Yes.
And then it's tarmac up there. Anything I need to know about Campbell? I've never been there before.
So it's the same as here. So it's in the south. Circuit's in the south at 1,000 feet.
Okay.
I've not been there for years. I just read it up just now. And the runways are similar. I think 26 and 08, something like that.
Cool. Oh, and they're just radios.
I would the information we will be expecting, because we're taking off at 07. So we're expecting this way. So join downwind.
Okay.
Make a right.
All right. Cool.
And if they want us to go dead side, they won't do that.
Echo for runway 07, right hand circuit, and 5 also for Golf India Yankee.
I've got 9 and 5.
Cool. Awesome. And while we're doing that, let me get this sorted. So, wait.
Peace and peace are fine. I'll adjust that in a sec. Speed's indicating. Birds flying away. Rotate. Those are all normal noises.
Well, maybe.
Oh gosh, this boat just... There we go. Hello.
Yep,
Better.
1, 2, 1, 2. Yep, got you.
Traffic noticed.
Go from with Echo Alpha, Echo ready for launch. Copy Echo Alpha, runway 07, take off unit correction, service winds 113 degrees 04 knots. Taking off, go follow to Echo Alpha.
Traffic danger 300
which is really
below.
only 200 feet off the ground.
Tighten my straps in case the door lets go. Farnborough radar, good morning, Golf Bravo, Foxtrot, India Yankee.
Golf Bravo, Foxtrot, India Yankee, Farnborough radar, pass your message.
Oh, let's get up. Let's get up.
Self Victory,
Roger,
Roger,
this
778,
and we'll have a look.
7,000, frequency change approved. Goodbye.
Thank you for your help. Bye-bye.
Yeah, from the Granite, it just looks like it's a haze layer up to, what, like 1,800 feet or thereabouts.
Yeah, let's get off. Yeah, 2,000 will put us in top of this.
Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings that tell our goodbye. Oh, it's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. Sunflowers, high grass and bare feet. Oh, but you each second is a treat. I keep my balance next to you. It's true. Nowadays there's nothing I wouldn't do for you. Fire breath and open sky.
Bryce radar, Golf Bravo, Foxtrot, India Yankee, traffic service.
Golf Bravo, Foxtrot, India
Yankee Bride, radar, pass your message.
Golf Bravo, Foxtrot, India Yankee, C-150, 2 POB from Blackbush to Kemble. Presently 4 to the west of Compton, VOR.
Golf India Yankee, Roger, squawk 3711.
I've never been so ready. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell worry goodbye. Oh, it's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell worry goodbye. It's not what we see, it's what we choose to be.
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything, with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby don't leave.
Golf India Yankee, cleared now normal altitude 2,000 feet. Circuit appears to be active at Denham, but nothing immediately on radar to effect.
Yeah, now above 2,000 feet, we'll get Denham at Whitesburg. And if you can hand us over to the radar at some point, that would be much appreciated. Thank you, Golf India Yankee.
India Yankee will do.
Oh, this is everything.
Golf India Yankee, Cessna 150 is positioning for a right base join now. Where's the traffic downwind?
Downwind, midpoint downwind now.
We're going to do an orbit to give you some space then. Golf India Yankee. Golf India Yankee is turning final now.
Golf India Yankee, surface wind 130 degrees, 12 knots.
Landing Golf India Yankee.
Oh, this is everything, with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking I don't wanna go. This is everything, with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go.
See the pumps. Woo! Well done, right before.
And vacate.
Yeah. Woohoo! Look at under the wing.
Yeah.